recognise and name 2D shapes. This video is going to look at 2D shapes. 2D shapes are flat shapes. Have a look at these shapes. Can you find any way of sorting these shapes? Let's have a look at the differences between these shapes. I can see that some of these shapes have curved sides and some have straight sides. Let's have a look at the shapes that have curved sides. Well, this shape here is a circle and it's completely curved all the way round. This shape here, this one looks like a heart and that's got a curved bit at the top there. And this one here, this has got a curved shape. It's a curved side. This has got a curved side. This one looks a little bit like an egg. And this one here that looks a bit like a moon, that's got a curved side as well. What do you notice about the other shapes? Well, I can see that the other shapes have straight sides. All the sides are straight on these shapes. There are no curved sides. You might have heard the word polygon before. And a polygon is a 2D shape that has straight sides. Let's look at these two shapes. What do you notice about both of these shapes? We can see that this first shape has straight sides, and let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shape has 4 straight sides. And anything else we notice about this? Well, we can see that for this shape, all of the sides are the same. So all 4 sides are the same. We call this shape a square. So a square has all 4 sides the same length. The next shape, well, it also has 4 sides, I can count them, but are all 4 sides the same? Well, we can see that we've got a long side, one there and one there. So we've got 2 long sides and we've got 2 short sides. So it does have 4 sides, but it has 2 long and 2 short sides. And we call this shape a rectangle. Let's look at some more polygons. This shape has 3 straight sides. And a 3-sided shape is called a triangle. This first part of the word tri actually means 3. You might recognise the word triceratops, which is a 3-horned dinosaur. Or you might have heard of a trident, which is a 3-pronged weapon. So just remember that few letters, tri, means 3. This second shape here is also a triangle. You can see it's slightly different. It has 2 sides here and then it has a long side. So both these shapes are triangles because they have 3 sides, but those sides can be different lengths. Let's look at some more polygons. First of all, we're going to count the number of sides the shape has. So let's look at the red shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides and we call a 5-sided shape a pentagon. Let's look at the blue shape. We can see the blue shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the blue shape has 6 sides and we call that a hexagon. The orange shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 sides and we call that a heptagon. And the pink shape, let's count those sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this has 8 sides and we call that an octagon. So a 5-sided shape is called a pentagon, a 6-sided shape is a hexagon, a 7-sided shape is a heptagon, and an 8-sided shape is an octagon. Remember, an octopus has 8 legs. That's a good way of remembering that an 8-sided shape is called an octagon. Now it's time to see which shapes you can remember the names of. If you're not sure or you need to remind yourself, you can rewind the video. Pause the video and have a try at remembering the names of these shapes. So have a go and then we will go back through the answers. How did you do? Okay, let's go through the answers. The orange shape is a heptagon because it has 7 sides. The next shape has 3 sides, that means it's a triangle. The blue shape has 6 sides, that means it's a hexagon. The next shape has 4 sides, but we've got 2 4-sided shapes here, so this one has all 4 sides the same, so we call this a square. The other yellow shape has got 2 long sides and 2 short sides, so we call this a rectangle. The orange shape has 7 sides, so we call that a heptagon. The red shape has 5 sides, so we call that a pentagon. And the last shape, the pink shape, that has 8 sides, and remember the octopus with its 8 tentacles, so this is an octagon. Well done! You now know the names of these polygons.